Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, according to the latest reports that are being received at this time, heavy airstrikes are being carried out by the Ethiopian Air Force in Voldia and Kobo. Both Kobo and Voldia are located on A2 highway in Amhara region. Viewers, during an interview a few days ago, citizens of the Amhara region near Voldia said they were facing heavy losses in the airstrike from the Ethiopian Air Force. And now again heavy airstrikes are being carried out in the Amhara region by Ethiopian Air Force. And about 2 days ago, in the Tigray region, huge airstrikes were carried out by the Ethiopian Air Force on Tigray Defense Force positions, resulting in reports of many civilians casualties. And the drone infrastructure of Ethiopian Air Force has been seen in the area of Afar region of Chifra. Viewers, every effort is being made by the Ethiopian National Defense Force at this time to gain control over the A2 highway and trap Tigray Defense Force soldiers. Those are present in the next areas. But I have already informed you that in these areas on A2 highway, Tigray Defense Force is very strong and present with heavy weapons. Several attacks were carried out by Ethiopian National Defense Force on Valdia, Marsa and Kobo. But these attacks against Tigray Defense Force proved to be unsuccessful by Ethiopian National Defense Force. Viewers, thousands of Republican guards were brought by Ethiopian National Defense Force to fight against Tigray Defense Force on this front. But they also faced defeat. In addition, the Eritrean soldiers were called from the neighboring country of Eritrea, but they also proved unsuccessful in front of Tigray Defense Force. And now the Ethiopian Air Force is going to strike heavily on Valdia and Kobo. Viewers, on the other hand, according to reports, fighting is increasing in the Amhara region, in South Gondar and South Volo. According to reports, heavy fighting going on in Debrecen and its surroundings areas. And this war is going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara forces, Amhara militias, and Tigray Defense Force. We were somewhere on the B-22 highway. A continuous war has been going on for the past month. While the rest of the fight on the front has decreased considerably in the Amhara region, but the battle between Gashina and Debre Tabor is still ongoing on the B-22 highway, and loss reports are being received from both sides, and the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Tigray Defense Force are also claiming their victories about the ongoing war on the B-22 highway. Viewers, different statements are coming from both sides, but no evidence was given about these claims by any side. And a few days ago, Tigray Defense Force claimed that Tigray Defense Force had captured hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers during the ongoing war in the Amhara region. And some pictures about this claim were also shared. But now, reportedly, fighting between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force is underway on the B-22 highway. While we are receiving reports from some sources that the Somali army is also reaching the Amhara region to support the Ethiopian National Defense Force against Tigray Defense Force in this war. And yet, their numbers have not been given as to how many Somali soldiers are being deployed on the battlefield. But according to the reports, the first Somali army group is arriving in the Amhara region tonight. And thousands of Oromo people are arriving in Addis Ababa to attend the celebration in Addis Ababa, the capital of Ethiopia. I have already informed you about what is and why this celebration turned into a protest. If you not see my previous video, then watch it. I briefly explain about it in the previous video. And according to reports now, the roads leading towards Addis Ababa by the Ethiopian Security Force are being closed so that people can be prevented from reaching Addis Ababa and they are not participating in the protest or celebration. A few pictures have been shared that you can see on your screen. These pictures can be seen that there are long rows of vehicles due to road closure. So viewers, so far this is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.